Got my baby up here, Ginger. So you might see little snippets of her. Okay. Got a new baby. New baby doll. I have to be honest, I did take a little peek. Just a little peek, just a little bit. So how are y'all doing today? Me, kind of tired. Kind of tired. I did some editing. Let y'all see that part. On another video. Let's pull her out. I didn't open the wrong side. You want to get down? Stop. The baby. Let me just take this off for a second. Let's see. She looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Let's push your hair up a little bit. They have these little clips on her hair. It's so cute. There we go. Cheese. Cheese. You can really snuggle with this one. She is so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at that little face. Oh my goodness. Just adorable. I wish I could find a way where I can keep my head in the shot and where y'all can see down at where whatever I'm showing. Oh my goodness, look at these. These are adorable. Oh my goodness. Really take a look at that. That is so cute. It has these little, that's three-dimensional. These little, I guess, yeah, these are little tights that it came with. And then these little three-dimensional, I'm trying to think what you call this. It's a sea creature, but I can't remember what it's called. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put her down right there because I got a couple of different stuff I wanted to show y'all. I got two new packages from TEMU today. So I'm like, I already opened the other one, but then I was like, Sharon, go ahead. Look at me tearing it. I don't know. I get so excited when I get a package from TEMU. Because for one thing, it's like, I never know when it's coming exactly. So it's always like a surprise. A good surprise, though. And a lot of times I'll forget what I ordered. So that's even better, you know? Okay. Let's see. Oh, yeah. I remember this. Okay. This is adorable. Oh, my goodness. Let's see. Oh, that's bigger than I thought, though. Look at that. Isn't that cute? It has these little ruffles on it, and then flowers on the inside, and then little flowers on the sleeve. That is so cute. That's gonna be on one of the babies. I had to think which one I want to put it on. Probably won't do like a change today because I have a good bit to show you all. And actually, I wasn't really planning to film today, but since I got TEMU items that came in, it's like, oh, I've got to film this, you know? So, the next thing, I started opening it, but I stopped. Aren't y'all proud of me? Yeah. Oh, look. There's another package. Okay. Let's try to stay on task for a little bit, okay? Let's see. Some ASMR. Let me get my little scissors. Let me see if I can bring this up just a little bit more. Okay, I'm back. I was trying to pull it up some more, but I guess I'll just hold it up or something. I don't know. But I have not finished opening this little package. I do remember what this one is. But it looks like maybe they took the clothes off or something, so I gotta be careful how I open it. This is, well, I won't tell you. I won't tell you. Let me try my best not to cut into it. Okay, good. I don't think I did. Oh my goodness. It's a little silicone baby. Look. Oh. Well, you know what I'll do? I'll just put a little, I'll put something over that part, like a little flower or something. I just had to remember to do that. And so cute. And I got some little clothes. Well, he does come with little clothes. These little, this one right here. But I like the crocheted one better. And I thought since it's kind of like a orange color, that might look good. And actually, I was just thinking maybe I'll save that for another video. Here's another package that I received from TEMU. And these things are paid for by me, not by TEMU. So, yeah. And I'm going to put in the description part, like all the details of what I'm showing. Hopefully I can remember everything. So that way, if you're interested in something, you'll be able to see it, you know. Oh, I remember. Okay, I remember. I thought this was something else. Look at this. Can anybody guess what this is? If you can guess, put it in the comments. Now, don't cheat. Put what you really thought this was. Don't cheat. Okay. I'm opening it up. Oh, it's already open. I was hoping it would have a baby powder smell, but it doesn't. These little pineapples. And like a little fox. A little panda. And I think duckies. But what these are reusable diapers. Isn't that cute? I thought that's perfect. So that way, you know, you could put a diaper on, and then you can always wash it if you have one of those types of babies that do use the bathroom. I don't have one of those, but let's see, which way do I put this? I'm gonna put it that way. That's probably right. But yeah, diapers. Did anyone guess? Disposable diapers. I mean, not disposable. Reusable. Reusable diapers. Here's another little thing. Isn't that cute? It's a little, what is it called? Baby knitted hat. This pink. I was trying to find a little hat that would work on. And see, that's another thing. I would like to find a way where I don't have to turn so much, but I don't know. Let's see. Have we figured out a name for this one yet? Bianca. I think that's what I'll call her. I think I'll call her Bianca. Come on over, Bianca. This is the other full silicone that I have. And I'm hoping this is going to work for her head. Because she is a girl, but she kind of looks a little bit like a boy, I think. Well, maybe not. I don't know. But I wanted to try like a little hat on her and see if that helps. Oh, that is pretty. Look at this. Those rhinestones, pink and like diamonds. Okay, they're not really diamonds, but hey, we can pretend they're diamonds. Let's put it on her little head. Sorry, y'all aren't able to see it. Let's see. I'll move this down. Anytime I move it, it seems to cut off. I tell you. Look at that. What do y'all think? Oh, she looks cute. Yeah, I think that really helps. That helps a lot. And then I might pierce her ears also. Wow, her eyes look really real. Did a good job. Let's see. Bianca, what do you think? Does she look like a Bianca? Or, I don't know. I don't know. Let me know what y'all, we gotta come up with a name for her. We gotta come up with a name for her. She says she's been waiting patiently, but no name has been chosen. And cross those little legs. And one final thing is these little baby socks. Oh my goodness, so cute. Look at that. That is so cute. Anyway, I'm going to end it here, and I'll see you all later. Bye.